Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the Google account you'll use. This links events and reminders. Once signed in, open Calendar, web or app, and create a new calendar for Gohar tasks so things stay separate. Make sure to enable sync and notifications in settings, because without them, reminders won't arrive on your devices. This first step prepares your workspace and ensures every event you add is stored, shared, and visible where you need it. You now add events for Gohar using Create or the plus button, input title, time and duration, and pick the right calendar. Once done, add guests and conferencing details so collaborators join easily, and attach notes or files for context. Make sure to choose colors and notification lead times that match importance. Repeated events get a rule to avoid manual entry. These choices reduce clutter and make your schedule readable at a glance. You finish by reviewing saved events in Agenda or Schedule view to confirm everything synced across devices. Once done, adjust privacy, share settings, or guest permissions if someone can't see or edit an event. If sync errors occur, force a resync, clear the app cache, or sign out and back in to refresh tokens. Also verify calendar permissions in device settings. This final pass ensures Gohar's calendar is reliable, shared correctly, and ready to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.